All right, in this assignment, I'm asking you to share those videos with us. And the best way for us to all be able to see them easily is if you embed them. So when you go to hit reply, you can come in here and there is, under the insert, there's an embed. And this is asking for an embed code. Now, I think the easiest way to do this is probably using YouTube, and so I want to walk you through YouTube. So you can create, oops, I'm invisible. You can create your own video and your own channel. If you don't already have a channel, you can make a channel. I have a channel here, and so I'm going to go to my channel. And then I'm going to go to manage my videos because that's how I'm going to get to where my videos are. Now, the nice thing about YouTube is that you can upload the videos directly from your phone, which is what I normally do. I had uploaded this one already, and from here there's a couple of things you can control. So for one is mine is public. You do not have to have yours public. You can have it unlisted, which is the easy way that we can get to it if you embed it, but nobody can like search for it and stuff like that. So you are welcome to do that. From here, if you want to embed your video, sorry, I've got lots of things open. So I've pulled up this same video. I'm going to hit share here. And if I copy the URL, all I'll get is the URL, which will be a link. I want to actually embed it in Canvas. So I'm going to copy embed video, and then I'm going to hit copy here. And when I go back in here and I click insert and embed, I can paste my embed code right into there. Click OK or whatever that was, and now my embed code is showing up, and when I post this reply, you'll be able to see my video. And there it is. You can also, of course, go edit it if you want to explain what you see there. Now, if you don't want to mess around with YouTube, you can still embed the video. And so here's another way. See this little video music thing? I'm going to click on that, and that's going to give me an opportunity to record, which you probably can't do for this particular one, or bring them up from your computer. So you can pull your video straight from your desktop. I don't have mine on my desktop, so I'm not going to pretend to do that. But you can click here just like when you're embedding an image, and then hit submit, and it'll show up in the same place. So one last thing, and that is, this is my first time doing the stop motion animation. So if we run into trouble, you can keep communicating with me. Just let me know what's going on. We'll talk through it. We'll try to figure out a solution. So this is my first time around, and I need you to help me see what I can't see. So I've uploaded lots of YouTube videos. I know how that works. I haven't done as many of the others, and so I need your help to troubleshoot. Let me know when or where you're running into trouble and what you're doing. Thanks.